Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I Ranu Kumari and my group Kajol, Vrishali and Nisha, we all are from third year, come with a video where we are going to explain our data science project. Sometimes we feel bored while reading the lengthy text. So we come with a solution where you can summarize your text. Isn't it sounds interesting? It will be really exciting if you see our project. So we built a project on text summarization using NLP. Basically, what we are going to do is that we're gonna provide the lengthy text as input and we will obtain summarized text as output. We have used NLP, that is a natural language processing here. This is nothing but a branch of artificial intelligence that enables machine to understand the human language. Basically what happens is that computer doesn't have that thinking ability like human have. So using NLP, we are generating the machine to understand the things like human do. This is front end of our project. Here, text summarizer app is title of our project. Summary using NLP is subheader of our project. And in the sidebar, we have select activity where we are going to select the activity. We can have more than two activities like summarize via file also. But here we have used summarize via text only. While choosing this summarize via text activity, it will go to the text area and while entering the text the summary choice will be made and we can choose any of the NLTK or Spacey. While clicking on summarize via text button, it will generate the output as you can see here. So we can also do it by using NLTK. You can see the text summary here. So if name is equals to main, the main part will get executed. So it will jump to the main part, and here we are using st dot title. St we are creating as Streamlit object, as Streamlit is helpful in designing the GUI. So we have used Streamlit over here. So st dot title, we have text summarizer app as our title. In activity we can have more than two activities like summarize via file also, but we have summarize via text only. And in st dot sidebar dot select box, we have activities. We are passing the activity to the choice. Now the next part will be explained by Nisha.
Yeah, thank you. When we choose summarize via text as activity, we see the subheader summary using NLP. When the user enters text in the text area, it is stored in the article text. Now, this text has to be clean, that is, we must remove the extra square brackets or any square brackets, special characters, and extra spaces from the given text. For this, we are using RE module from the regex library, that is regular expression. It is used for pattern matching and searching. Now, the first line. In this line, we replace any subsets from the article text that is in the digits within square brackets with a single space. The next line. In this line, the special characters except full stop and comma. So here the specified with the power sign means except alphabets lower and uppercase, full stop and comma, and others are replaced by the special others are replaced by a single space. The next line. In this line removes the single character words like single ABC because those are the meaningless being individually placed. The next line, fourth one, this line removes string ending with capital letters like those used while numbering. Next line, this line removes the extra spaces from the overall text and replace with the single space to make the article text look clean. Here the cleaning of the given input text is done. Over to you, Kajol.
Yes. In select box, different NLP tools like NLTK and Spacey in this case will be shown, and user's choice will be stored in summary choice. When user clicks the summary via text button, summarize via text button, the summary choice that user selected will be matched using if else. Like here, if user selects NLTK, then NLTK summarizer function will be called, as species summarizer function will be called. If we have NLTK as summary choice, then NLTK summarizer function will be called where article text is passed. Vishali, can you move to that function? In this def NLTK summarizer function, we passed article text as the docs. Firstly, all stop words in NLTK toolkit will in English language will be stored in stop words list. Similarly, each tokenized word from the docs passed will be stored in the words list. For each word in the words list, firstly it will be converted to lowercase. Then we check if those words occur in the stop words list. If it doesn't occur, then those will be accepted and the if part executes. Here, if initially when frequency table is empty, each unique tokenized word will be initialized to value 1 using else part. If those words occur again, then its frequency will be incremented by 1 using if part. Like tokenized words, we can also store tokenized sentence in the list sentence list. Over to you, Rishali.
Yes, to calculate the weighted frequency, first we need the frequency of the most occurring word, which is stored in the max underscore freq variable. Then divide the frequency of each word by the max frequency obtained to get the weighted frequency of each word. Now, to calculate the sentence score, we have created sentence underscore scores as a empty dictionary. The keys of this dictionary are the sentences. Then, using the for loop, we go through each sentence from the sent underscore list and tokenize it into words. Then we check if the word exists in word underscore freq dictionary above. Then we check whether the sentence exists in the sentence sent underscore score or not. If it doesn't, then we add it, and if it exists, we simply add weighted frequency of the word from the else part. Over to you, Ranu.
Thank you, Prashali. Here we are importing HipQ, and from the sentence score, eight sentences with maximum frequency will be passed to the summary sentence, and then it will be joined and returned as summary. So in the main function, here you can see in the main function, uh, NLTK summarizer will return summary and then will hold in summary result, and using st.write the summary we will get on GUI. And if user selects Spacy Summarizer instead of NLTK Summarizer, the Spacy Summarizer function will be called. Logic of Spacy Summarizer is same as NLTK Summarizer. It will generate the same output as NLTK Summarizer. Thank you so much for patiently listening to us. For this code, click on the link given in description.